Hey guys, so I've been seeing this TikTok braid design on TikTok and on Instagram. I decided to try it out myself. So since I saw it at the back, I said, okay, maybe I should just do that at the back. So I parted my mannequin's head into two halves just to make it more simple and less complicated. So I just parted the head down to the end so that I'll be able to have my canvas for the TikTok or musical notes design. Yes, so that's just what I did for the first place. Then after I did that, I started with a diagonal line, I started with an angle or a diagonal line at the right part of the braid of the hair that I parted into two. So I did it like a boxy. I just parted into a diagonal line, a thick diagonal line. I didn't do the pointy edge, I did the square edge. Then I parted it straight down with a little curve at the nape of the neck. Then so now we have the first section and the second section. Then for the third section, it's just going to be very simple. Yes, so after I keep all this in place, we're just going to move to the third section. That will be the last section for this hair. So since it's a musical note, we're going to give it a curve. I did it like halfway through the straight line that we made. So just give it a curve, not too big curve and not too small. Medium size curve. You curve it downwards just like a C. So when you're done with that, you're just going to part that same curve that you did. You're going to give it a little curve so that we'll be able to weave the inner part of the hair. So that's what I did here. I just did a little curve and then that's all. So we have four sections of this hair. We have the diagonal part, we have the straight part, we have the big curve, then we have the tiny curve, and that is exactly how we're going to be weaving this hair. So you just start from the squarish part of the diagonal line that you made and you weave it downwards to the straight parts of the hair this part I'm removing. I'm just going to braid it down, and then you're going to add it to the curve, and then you're going to see how I made the reason why I made that little curve in that circle. So just keep on watching and you're going to see the TikTok design that I attempted to do. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Oh my gosh, I'm impressed with myself because this is my first trial. So I just twisted the whole thing to make it look like musical notes. So this is what I achieved. Yes, this is the whole hairstyle. I hope you like it because I also like it.